using the S.O.A.P method to study the scripture, the S stands for scripture. So you look at a particular verse or a section of the scripture that stands out to you and you write it down. The O stands for observation, and the observation is where you take a close look at that section and you will have to take in what aspects of either the verse or the section of the scripture really you're looking at keywords and a range of things. And the A stands for application, which means that whatever you have observed from the scriptures that you're looking at closely, then you start to apply to your life, or you think about how you can apply it to your situation or your life. Then the P stands for prayer, which means that whatever observation and application you've thought about as you're concentrating on that particular section of the scriptures, you can turn it into prayers, and that way you are looking at that section with a lot of focus, and you can take a lot of benefit away from looking at that using the S.O.A.P method.